visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I wanted to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find a video, the message is also meant to find you. Now let's check kung ano po yung nangyayari sa paligid. We have the Hermit and the Seven of Strength. So, I think medyo tinuturuan natin dito si person na maging mature, no? In many aspects of their life. Mature in a way sa pag-handle ng relationship, mature in a way sa pag-handle ng finances, or mature sa pag-handle ng sarili niya, no? Sa buhay. I feel like meron ditong konting gap sa pagdating sa age. Kaya siguro the Hermit is here, no? The gap may be, pwede natin sabihin din, may December love affair. Pwede rin naman, konti lang yung gap. Or maturity-wise, no? Medyo nakikita natin yung tagilid, how the person make decisions in life. Or pwede rin itong LGBTQIA+ relationship, no, na nakikita natin the Hermit and the Seven of Strength that showed up. With the Ten of Wisdom, siguro sinishare natin yung knowledge natin, sinishare natin yung mga bagay-bagay, even our finances or what have you, because we love the person so much, no? Ganun yung pagmamahal natin sa kanya, parang walang kapantay. You even think that this person is the person that you're gonna end up with, no? Baka nga, di ba? Siyempre, kapag nagsisimula ka ng relationship, of course, meron bang tao? Siguro meron, pero sobrang bihira, no? Papasok ako sa isang relationship just for fun. Or alam kong pang, ano lang to, hindi pang matagalan. Siyempre, karamihan gusto maging pang matagalan, di ba? Unless you're really a player, di ba? Pero yung sa you're not even playing. Kaya nandito ka sa I wanna help, no? Kasi gusto kong umunlad din yung taong ito. Pero with the Five of Wisdom, bakit parang nangihinayang ka ngayon sa mga nagawa mo, nangyari? Siguro nangihinayang ka siguro dito sa relationship why things ended up this way. Pero kasi at one point in time, habang ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa kanya, sumasaya ka din. But I don't know what you did. Wala pa naman dito yung mga cards na ganito kalaki yung panghihinaya. Baka nga kasi tinuruan natin mag-business, binigyan natin ng puhunan, you know, with the Five of Wisdom, nagkaroon ng aberya. Parang hindi rin niya nag-get yung hirap mo, yung pagod mo, parang hindi rin niya napaunlad or what have you, no? The Page of Wisdom and the Ten of Intelligence. Parang si person ngayon, parang sinasabi, ayoko na. It's either ayoko na sa relationship or ayoko na ipagpatuloy yung sinisimulan ko. So, meron agad shift, no, ng energy. I feel like itong si person, mahina ang loob or talagang hindi niya forte. Pwede rin kasing tayo nag-suggest, baka ayaw naman niya, pero ginawa niya for the sake of. Again, wala akong kinakampihan dito, reader lang ako. I'm seeking all the possibilities kasi wala pa naman yung buong cards, no? I'm checking all the possibilities why things happened. So with the Four of Charisma, you still want to keep the connection. Yun nga lang, how can we not really drag it. How can we guide? Ang pangit naman ng word. How can we drag this person into enlightenment? Or much better, no? In a positive script, how can we guide this person towards enlightenment? Nakakita ka pa rin naman ng potential kay person. That's why you're holding on to the connection with the Lovers and the Nine of Intelligence. Si person kahit medyo sabihin natin mali-mali minsan ang mga desisyones sa buhay, may mga pagkakataon naman na bumabawi ito when it comes to love, no? Sa relationship, baka kasi maasikaso din naman. Yun nga lang, baka meron talaga tayo mga ino-offer na mga bagay na talagang hindi, sabihin natin, hindi pasok sa wavelength ng kanilang understanding, no? Kaya siguro nagfe-fail. Now, with the Queen of Charisma, we're going to try again. I love the perseverance, no? Again, I'm not here to judge. I love the perseverance that, yeah, pwede nating ulitin, pwede tayong magsimula uli, no? Kasi you still can. You still have the means. Okay, that's fine. And ganoon naman talaga when it comes to life, no? Especially when putting up a business, it's a trial and error thing, no? Hahanapin mo talaga yan kung saan papasok, no? So, it's kind of like being a social media personality. Hahanapin mo yung niche mo, no? Hahanapin mo kung saan ka nagkiklik at yun yung gagawin mo. Kaya yung iba nagko-cross path or nagtumatawid, no, sa ibang niches. Ayan. So with the Queen of Charisma, the Nine of Wisdom and the World card, okay. This time, both of you can ace it. Ang gusto ko lang malaman, how? Kasi nandito na yung pag-asa, okay, maibabangon pa natin, makakapagsimula tayo uli, and that's good with the Ace of Intelligence. I feel like the passion should be here. Siguro tanungin natin, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin? No? Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin na hindi ka naiinip? No, baka si person naman is more of a singer. Doon natin siya supportahan. Or baka si person naman is fashionista. Baka gusto niya magtayo ng clothing brand. No? Or mahilig siya magluto. Doon natin siya supportahan. Passion should be ignited. We cannot feed someone else's dreams, no? And we cannot even shit on someone else's dreams naman din. Para kang nag-aalaga niya ng bata. Tatanong mo sa anak mo, ano bang passion mo? No? It's an old school for, persons or parents to shit on, their child's dream. Tayo kasi pamilya tayo ng mga doktor, kailangan maging doktor ka rin. Yung ibang bata sinusunod, no? They become successful, ganun talaga, no? Pero most of them, parang I'm just doing it, but I'm not happy for the sake of, no? And right after that, nakagraduate na ako, pwede ko naman bakunin yung path ko, no? Pwede rin naman ganon. Or sometimes things are failing, 'di ba? Because of the pressure. Meron ako ng mga napanood na anak ng politicians, no, hindi kinaya. So ayan, may mga nagfe-fail dahil nga ang taas ng expectations. So kumbaga, walang tama mali dyan eh. Siguro mas kilalanin natin yung tao muna. Kasi this time we feed information and we failed. Baka naman, this time makinig naman tayo sa kanya. With the Six of Strength, the Two of Strength, and the Chariot, I feel like kung gusto nitong umalis, lumipat ng ibang lugar, bigyan natin siya ng chance, no? This time siya naman. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Syempre, reading mo to. Lalabas din ang inyong sun sign, if not a placement in your chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Gemini, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus. I'm seeing Scorpio, yeah, nasabi na natin. Virgo, nasabi na rin natin. Sagittarius, Gemini, Capricorn, Cancer, yeah, Pisces, Aries. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You